America Votes 2024, and local Assemblyman Mike Norris is now in line to become a state Supreme Court judge. This is thanks to an agreement between the Democratic and Republican Party chairmen here locally. They cross-endorse candidates. It means that they basically get to choose who will serve on the bench for the next 14 years. They've done this a lot over the past decades. Norris is a bit of a controversial choice for judge, though, considering he has some legal issues in his past. Bob McCarthy is our 7 News political analyst, and he's here live with me tonight to help us understand this. So, Bob, first of all, you know, it doesn't seem super democratic the way this process works to begin with. Instead of voters going to the polls and choosing who will be the state Supreme Court judge, basically the parties kind of come together and say, hey, you endorse our guy on the Democratic side, we'll endorse your guy on the Republican side, and voters don't get much of a choice. Is that what's happening here?
That's exactly. You've heard of 3 men in a room in Albany. This is 2 men in a room in Buffalo that's doing it here. And Michael, it's happened in 43 of the last 56 judicial elections since 1995, when the Republican and Democratic chairman of Erie County come together and make this decision. They say that in most cases they are incumbents and that they deserve re-election, but by the same token, the voters have no choices. And it's becoming more and more common, as we see now, with more than half of the judicial candidates selected by these 2 guys.
Let's talk about Mike Norris specifically. I mentioned he's a bit of a controversial choice here. Some of these incidents date back decades, but he was given immunity in one case to avoid prosecution a couple of decades ago.
2 cases, even. In 2001 and 2017, in 2 separate investigations, he was granted immunity in exchange for testimony before a grand jury. Now, no charges ever resulted, but he's also had his encounters with the FBI and interviews in other cases. So the point here is, okay, he's a respected lawyer, he's a respected member of the Assembly, everybody thinks that Mike Norris is a good man. But the voters will not get a chance to ask any questions about these incidents because the 2 Erie County judicial kingmakers have already anointed all of these people for certain re-election in November.
Finally, people are probably wondering, all right, what happens to Mike Norris's seat in the Assembly now? He represents some of you watching. The process is a little bit different because it's so late. We're approaching November. I talked earlier today with a Republican legal expert from a law firm here in Buffalo about how that's going to play out. Listen to this.
It's actually pretty simple. With regards to the Conservative Party, it's a nomination that's made by the State Executive Committee. And as regards to the Republican Party, when you have an office where there's a vacancy and it's a multi-county office, as this is, the individuals who are the party chairs in those counties convene a meeting and cast a weighted vote.
So because that district has more voters in Niagara County than others, the Niagara County Republican Party chairman will essentially get to say, here's who we're going to run in this race.
Right. And the name I hear most often is Paul Bologna, who had the unenviable task of running Chrissy Casilio's county executive campaign here in Erie County last year. But he has a longtime Norris staffer who seems to be the most mentioned name, but there are others being bandied about too. But this has got to be done pretty soon.
Yeah, once it becomes official, they only have 10 days before they name who will replace him on the ballot. Bob McCarthy, our 7 News political analyst. Bob, thank you. Good to see you.